Hello everyone! Today my friend Otto the jazz pianist, wave your hand Otto, yep, like the Queen of England. Today my friend Otto and I will show you the parts of the body in the way that smart doctors know it. We shall start with directional terms. Here we have the anterior or ventral part of the body, which is the front. The back is the posterior or dorsal, like a post-apocalyptic novel or a dorsal fin. Then we have the superior, which is up, and inferior, which is down, like an alien who's superior to the inferior humans. We have the midline in the middle and the lateral points away from the midline while the medial points inward. If we take an arm here, proximal is closer in proximity to the point of origin, whereas distal is more distant. We have a superficial paper cut, and we also have a deep slash. Then there is sagittal because my zodiac is a Sagittarius. Just kidding, it cuts Otto in half to separate his right and left sides, and frontal separates his anterior and posterior halves. Transversal is a horizontal cut right down his stomach, and oblique cuts diagonally, like Diagon Alley from Harry Potter. Mid-sagittal and parasagittal are parallel to the long axis. Now we have our regional terms. The head is known as the cephalic region, the forehead is frontal because your forehead is at the front of your face, the nasal is the nose, obviously, the orbital is your eye, so just imagine tiny planets orbiting around your eye. The buccal is the cheek, like in evolutionary biology freshman year where we had to isolate DNA from our buccal cells. You give oral presentations with your mouth. The cervical is the neck because cervical, you swerve your neck. And the mental is the chin for reasons yet unknown. Then we have the acromial as the shoulder, very imperialistic, so I imagine a cape around your shoulders. The sternal is the breastbone because your breastbone is very stern. The axillary is the armpit, so imagine an ancient Viking throwing an axe in your armpit. The thoracic is the chest because the lungs are in your thoracic cavity. The mammary is the breast of mama. The brachial is the arm. The antecubital is the front elbow because anti means front and your elbow is a cube. The olecranial is the back elbow. The antebrachial is the forearm. The popliteal is the posterior knee because you gotta pop it, lock it, polka dot it. Hannah Montana, anyone? Okay, no, anyway. The sural is the calf, the carpal is the wrist, the palmar is the palm, obviously. The pollex is the thumb. The digitals are the non-existent fingers and toes. The patellar is the anterior knee. The crural is the leg because a leg can crawl. The tarsal is the ankle. The hallux is, again, the non-existent big toe. The occipital is the base of the skull. The vertebral is the spine. The scapular is the shoulder blade, like Mother Mary's special necklace is called a scapular. The dorsum is the back because, again, dorsal fin. Lumbar is the loin and sacral is between the hips. The femoral is the thigh. The calcaneal is the heel and plantar is the sole because you plant your soul. Alright everyone, that's it for now. Thank you so much.